Hi everyone, my name is Aqasha, and in today's video we're going to be making that easy TikTok microwave mac and cheese that you may have been seeing circulating online. So you're just going to need some pasta noodles. I use the ziti ones from Target. You also are going to want a measuring cup, but you don't need it. You could eyeball it, and honestly you'll probably be better off eyeballing it. Go ahead and grab a bowl, mug, or something you can cook the pasta in. You're going to also need milk of your choice. Mine is from Costco, and some cheese, which is from Target. I ended up adding like a little bit of tiny shredded cheese on top later. I also have this Himalayan salt, but you can use any salt you want. You're just going to need a pinch and some water. One other thing before we start is I want to give credit before we start to swimmereats for the original video. The account that I actually saw the video on like cropped out her Instagram or TikTok name, whatever. But I found it because I could see like half of it there. When I made my creme brulee video, somebody said I didn't give credit. When I did, 12 seconds in, so please make sure to just listen or actually watch before, saying that I'm not giving credit. Go ahead and add half a cup of noodles and half a cup of water to your mug. That's what it said in the video, but I found that I needed a little more than half a cup of water, so just honestly eyeballing it might be better. You want the noodles to be like submerged in the water, and add a pinch of salt. Optional, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, and seasoned salt, which is what I added to mine later so that it wouldn't be so bland. Go ahead and microwave your macaroni thingies for 4 minutes. That wasn't enough for mine. They look like this afterwards. I went ahead, I poured in more water, and then I microwaved them for another 3 minutes. That was not indicated in her video, but it didn't work for me. I needed more water and more cook time, so yep, there it is, just swishing it all around. And then I put it back for 3 minutes, and I took it out, and it looks way better. And then I just drained out any extra water, added in a splash of milk, and this is me adding my seasoning, seasoned salt, sriracha, and some Thai sweet chili sauce. And then I threw in like a handful of cheese on top. And then after you throw in the cheese, go ahead and microwave it again. Her recipe indicated 30 seconds. I did mine for 40. And then I got out more cheese from my fridge and then did it for like another 20 seconds. So here it is after the 40 seconds. I'm just mixing it about, and then I poured it into a cute little dish. And then after I did this is when I added my extra cheese like I told you guys, and did it for another 20 seconds. Here it is. And there it is when it's done. And honestly, it wasn't bad. Like, it was actually pretty good with the seasonings and sauces and stuff, but I feel like by itself it's kind of bland. So I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next one, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.